Together around the table, friends and family, with grateful hearts for all we see. The love we share, the bonds that grow in the season's gentle golden glow. Thankful hearts lifted high for the blessings in our lives. In every smile, in every prayer, we feel the love that's everywhere. Thankful hearts we sing as one, for all we have, for all that's come. The harvest in the day is done, the warmth of home, our loved ones near. Through ups and downs we've made it here. With gratitude we're standing strong this year.